Hey everyone, well, you can see I'm at a different location. No, it ain't my house. Well, this is my second video. Starting up, but still not working. So yeah, if you guys could join my team, try coming up with a logo for me. Or a name. Yeah, not that kind of name. Well, if you could help me out with something. Just important. Yep. Well, I need to tell you something. I won't be making a video for a while. Probably until I get back to my other house. Yeah, see. Well, you know I'm started recording from my phone. It won't be as fun because I have to buy like extra computers. I'm gonna have to buy stuff. Or I'm gonna have to buy some cameras. I think I have any. Sad. Well, just remember, if you could help me find out a name or find out something about me or help me get a logo, that'd be great. So yeah. Yeah. That's the end of the video. Bye.